Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Volvo Cars app Climate Preconditioning, full guide step by step clearly. To download the Volvo Cars app for climate preconditioning, begin by ensuring your smartphone is connected to the internet. Open the App Store on your device. If you are using an iPhone, navigate to the Apple App Store. For Android users, access the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Volvo Cars. Once found, tap on the app icon. Look for the Install button, and click it to initiate the download. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Once installed, locate the app on your home screen. Tap the Volvo Cars app icon to open it. If prompted, create a new account or log in with your existing Volvo ID. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your profile. To enable climate preconditioning, navigate to the climate control section of the app. Select the desired temperature and time for preconditioning. Ensure that your vehicle is parked and within range to allow the app to communicate with it. Tap the Start Climate Preconditioning button to initiate the process. Wait for a confirmation that the climate system is active. You can check the status of the climate control remotely from the app. For future convenience, consider setting up a schedule for regular climate preconditioning. Make sure to keep the app updated for optimal performance and new features. Enjoy the comfort of a perfectly preconditioned Volvo, ready for your next drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.